Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-MAX guys. Okay, C-MAX I'm talking about, this one right here guys. If you have a Ford C-MAX and you need to find where your car battery is located, how to access it, stay with us, we're going to explain that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you guys something a little bit about our channels. Every single car we get to the garage here, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you also guys need to buy tools and parts for your car for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and parts from. So we have that C-MAX here now guys, okay, Ford C-MAX, and let's explain where the car battery is located on that thing. We're going to go ahead and open the hood first, okay? Let's open the hood and see where that battery is. And if you open the hood guys and you don't find it, don't be shocked, okay? The battery is actually the hidden location and we will explain where. This one will be the hybrid version, C-MAX. The non-hybrid may differ, but if you have a plug-in hybrid or a hybrid, okay, that's the location. You can see dirty engine here. We have a special video. We have a special video on the channel that teaches you how to safely wash your car engine, how to clean car engine. So check it out. The jump starter terminal, okay, it's right here, but there is no battery. Where the battery is located guys, okay, pretty simple. We come towards the back side, okay, right here. We need to open the trunk on that Ford vehicle guys. Let's go ahead, open the trunk. And now you keep looking, there is still nothing guys, but where it is located now, you need to lift that thing up, okay, lift it up like that, okay. And here you still don't see anything, right? Nothing here. But then guys, okay, you will be surprised. You need to remove that net here, okay? We're going to empty everything. And if you look at it guys, okay, you lift things up, okay, nothing there as well, right? So you start wondering, okay, where is my car battery on my Ford C-MAX? So then all of a sudden guys, okay, what you have to do, okay, we're going to remove a few bolts right here. So practically you don't need to remove that thing. If you need to replace the battery, you have to remove that cover, and here as well, and it will come out. We have a special video. But if you remove that cover right here guys, okay, that's where your car battery is located, okay. And you can see positive terminal, okay, just to confirm, positive terminal here, negative on the other side. So this is the car battery guys. Now if you want to see how to remove and replace it, we have a special video that will explain that on our channel guys. But for any of you trying to quickly find it, it's there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.